Dear friend, we are now in ShareX new version here. You see, we have new version ShareX 17.0 here. Now we go through all the main features which we use in ShareX. You come here, you see this is a hotkey. When you want to capture region, Control plus print screen. Here you see print screen, capture entire region. On your keyboard, you see print screen. These hotkey keys are very important. Alt plus print screen, capture active window. Shift plus a print screen, a start and stop recording. When you capture recording, now listen this class till the end. We will now record our screen and see the quality here. You see control plus shift plus print screen, a stop and a start and stop recording. You can even record GIF in a ShareX. This is actually advanced feature in ShareX. You see here, from here you can capture. You see from when you click here, it will capture your full screen. Just click. Now see, it has capture our full screen. We can see here. See, we have capture now full screen here. Here, from here you can capture window, any window if you want. It will capture. For example, I want to capture this window, our NVIDIA GeForce overlay. It will capture our NVIDIA GeForce overlay here. And here you can capture a region. For example, I want to capture region here. I will directly capture here from here region. For example, I want to capture only this. From here I will directly capture like this here. And once again capture, we come here and capture region. Before capturing, if you want to annotate directly to your screen here, we can directly annotate. For this you have to come here. You see here you can add rectangles here, arrow. For example, I want to use arrow here. You can use directly here. We are adding arrow here. You can add rectangle. For example, if you want to capture in a rectangle here, this can add rectangle, add anywhere. For example, here if you want to add, you can directly add rectangle here. Have added rectangle. And the same way you can add ellipse here, something like this. And here we come text, outline text. You add, for example, I write here subscribe, dear friend. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe. You see, in this way you can add anywhere in your screenshot, and you can put anywhere. For example, I make it small or bigger. You can like make like this. You can directly resize from here, and anywhere you can put. For example, I put here. Now you can actually add like here. You see text background. It will be like a text background. Here I type resolve for you. Our channel, YouTube channel, resolve for you, and we can resize here. We can change font from here. And okay, once okay, you see now we have actually text with the red background. You can even change the background fill color. We can add something others like this. In this way you can add. You see we have changed the fill color from here, and we can put here. Well, here I want to. Okay, it's okay now. And here one good thing is that you can write a step one. For example, step one, this will be step two, will be this. For example, step, you have to explore how you want to use, what's your need in your screenshot. This is the advanced tool for screenshot. Even you can capture your screen very freely. In the next step we will learn. So you see here speech balloon. It's a good feature. You can add a speech balloon. For example, ShareX tutorial here. We just click. You see we have a speech balloon. Now you want to change the background here. We will come here directly, and we can add like this background. Our background is this. And if you want to change the color of the letter directly, we can change here. Here we will add something. For example, red. Okay. Okay, now it will be red here. Okay. Our skin, it's a red here. We can put here. Okay, it's a, in this way you can use this. Now we come here, and we can actually use you see here, this is speech balloon, this is number. We can magnify. You can use magnifier. For example, it will be magnified here. It's a good feature, so you can magnify inside ShareX. Once you magnify, you can change here. You see actually in the screenshot you can magnify. For example, I want to put in this way. You can use this magnifier. You can make this magnifier size smaller and bigger here. And here image file, if you have image, from image file you can take image from here. If you have image, for example, we come here, tab here, have image. This 5 best video editing software will just take, and we can add image directly to our screenshot. You can resize from here. We can resize and put anywhere. For example, here we can put this. See, this is actually the good feature. There are so many advanced features inside ShareX. It's a totally free. I am so surprised here, and it's a totally free. no open source, so we must donate image file. We can directly image and we can magnify from here. And here is sticker, you can add any sticker. For example, take any sticker. For example, I want to add this beautiful cat somewhere. We can directly add here, you see in our again we can take any sticker. We come here, just click here, and you can take any one more sticker. Our sticker is here, and we can directly add here. So you see, we can add sticker inside our screenshot here. And this process is okay. From here you can add everything. You can add shape, you can add freehand something, you can write here. Cursor you can add anywhere. If you want to add cursor, it will add cursor. You see it has already add cursor. For example, I want to add cursor here, highlighted portion. Anywhere you can add cursor in highlighted portion here. After that you can smart erase. If you want to erase something, so it will be not visible. For example, I have erased this. I have erased from this document totally. You see, it's not visible. For example, I want to erase this something. It will be, I can erase even this. I can erase this side. So you can very easily erase. You see, I have erased. This is a smart erase. And blur, you can blur anything. For example, I want to blur this. You see, I have blur. It will blur. You can put blur anywhere in screenshot. We have blur this, and pixelate is good. You can pixelate. It will be pixelate something here. It's a pixelate here, and here highlight. If you want to highlight something here, you can highlight here. You see, I have highlighted actually. You can make bigger, smaller highlight anywhere you can put it. After this highlight, you can change highlight color. If you want to make highlight red something, red. Okay, our color will be red from. And here we come here and edit. From here we can directly edit. From here we can capture, here capture last screen, all settings are here. This is the main setting. From this here you can change some settings for position and size. You can unclick here, show magnifier. Unclick, it will not show magnifier. Everything is okay. When you have annotated like this, you can take freehand, you can take ellipse, any tab. For example, I want to take this here, this freehand. We can take, come here, and we can make like this freehand skins here, like here, like this, in this fashionable way. We will take. Now you see we have taken a screenshot here. Please subscribe the channels and share this video to the wider audience on your friends, dear friend. It will help them a lot, because ShareX is a totally free and you can do a lot of things. Please share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. We meet in the next tutorial with more about ShareX, about this update. We have video editing tutorial, several tutorial on our channel. And subscribe, dear friend, for more tutorials. We meet in the futures with some exciting tutorials, dear friends. And like, share, comment which type of tutorial do you want about ShareX or any other software. I will make especially for you. I'm 24 into 7 available to reply you in the comment box. If you reply, dear, if you write, I will reply to you, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.